Hello everyone, I am super excited because I have a great project for you guys today. Welcome to Gazelle Creative Studio, my name is Uriel. So for this project, we will create two stars from scratch and use a pre-made one. They will have different sizes and textures. For the medium star, I will use these dowels from Amazon and cut 10 pieces at 15 centimeters. On the other hand, I will cut 10 pieces at 7 inches for the larger star. Now, I am in my garage and it is bright as you can see. Here are my dowels with the markings. For the larger star, I am using garden stakes from Dollar General. Using this Praxon miter saw, I will bring the head down just a little to see if I am cutting on the right spot. Once I make sure it is the correct spot, I will make a clean cut. Always make sure you are using protection if you are following this process. Some people have asked me how big this miter saw is. Well, it is not that big. It is 9 inches on each side and makes perfectly clean cuts, so I highly recommend it if you want quality. And here are all my pieces cut at the same length. Next, I will cut the angles, one at 36 degrees and the other one at 18 degrees. I will show you a diagram in a moment for you to visualize. Look at these cuts. They are nice and clean. The length of the pieces doesn't matter as long as they are the same size and have these angles, you will get a perfect star. Here is that diagram I created for you guys. Next, I will glue all the pieces together using tacky glue and let them dry for a few hours. I want to thank all my subscribers. You are fantastic. If you are new to this channel, welcome, and please consider supporting me. Subscribing, liking, and sharing make a big difference. Thank you again and welcome. Here are my stars nice and dried. Next, for the smaller star, I will glue 3 cutout stars I got from Dollar Tree because it will carry the weight of the other 2 stars, and 1 star is just too thin. Once this is dried, I will spray paint all 3 stars in gold. This is the medium star, as you can see. I will place a fabric backing. I will use tacky glue to do so. Once dried, I will cut it to size and glue it to the star. For the smaller star, because there is already a lot of detail, I will attach a smaller star in the center. For the larger star, I will fill it with small ornaments. For this, I will use hot glue to attach each ornament. I was thinking about adding silver ornaments, but I remember there wasn't any silver in the other 2 stars, so I will keep this one gold and green. Finally, I will attach all the stars together, and we should be done with this project. Here is the final reveal. What do you think of this project? Let me know in the comments below. You can recreate all 3 or simply just one for your holiday decor. Thank you for watching. In order for me to continue providing this type of content, please consider subscribing to this channel, liking this video, and sharing with others. Your support means a lot. Thank you and happy holidays.